Hello everyone, here is Teacher Stolle from EnglishBay, and today we're doing Lesson 5. Manufacturing Systems, Methods of Manufacturing. Words and definitions. So first let's see what is manufacturing. The production of goods through the use of labor, machines, tools, and chemical or biological processing or formulation. Okay, here we have Agile Manufacturing, a term applied to an organization that has created the processes, tools, and training to enable it to respond quickly to customer needs and market changes while still controlling costs and quality. Next one. Metal fabrication. The creation of metal structures by cutting, bending, and assembling processes. Okay, let's see now the next one. Flexible manufacturing system. A manufacturing system in which there is some amount of flexibility that allows the system to react in case of changes, whether predicted or unpredicted. Next one. Just-in-time manufacturing. A methodology aimed primarily at reducing times within the production system as well as response times from suppliers and to customers. Lean manufacturing. A methodology that focuses on minimizing waste within manufacturing systems while simultaneously maximizing productivity. And the last one on this page, mass customization. A process of delivering market goods and services that are modified to satisfy a specific customer's needs. It combines the flexibility and personalization of custom-made products with the low unit costs associated with mass production. Okay, good. That's it for page 1. Let's start with second page. Our first word, mass production. The production of large amounts of standardized products in a constant flow, including and especially on assembly lines. Numerical control. The automated control of machining tools such as drills, lathes, mills, and 3D printers by means of a computer. Prefabrication. The practice of assembling components of a structure in a factory or other manufacturing site and transporting complete assemblies or sub-assemblies to the construction site where the structure is to be located. Okay, here we have 3D printing or additive manufacturing. The construction of a three-dimensional object from a CAD model or digital 3D model. Reconfigurable manufacturing system, RMS. A system designed at the outset for rapid change in its structure as well as its hardware and software components in order to quickly adjust its production capacity and functionality within a part family in response to sudden market changes or intrinsic system change. Okay, and the last one for today, High Performance Positioning System, HPPS. A type of positioning system consisting of a piece of electromechanics equipment, an assembly of linear stages and rotary stages, that is capable of moving an object in a three-dimensional space within a work envelope. Okay, that's it for lesson 5. See you next time. Bye bye.